Travel isn't what it used to be. Let's be honest, most people still pack their bags in 2025 and 2019, and that's dangerous. The truth is the world has changed, new risks, new rules, and new realities mean if you're not prepared, you could ruin your trip even before it begins. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 things you need to travel in 2025. And trust me, if you're missing even one of these, you're gambling with your safety, your money, and even your freedom. Number 1, and this is one that shocks most people, a VPN. Think about it. Every airport, every hotel, every cafe has free Wi-Fi, but those networks are crawling with hackers, scammers, and trackers who love tourists. The easiest way to protect yourself is NordVPN. It locks down your data, hides your location, and even lets you access content or booking sites that might be blocked where you're traveling to. Imagine being stuck and not being able to get information you need. NordVPN solves all of that. I don't travel without it. If you want to travel smart, the link is in the description. Grab it for your next trip. Honestly, it has been a lifesaver for me. Number 2, international medical coverage. You'd be shocked at how many people step on a plane without it. One unexpected incident, something as small as food poisoning or as serious as an injury, can cost thousands abroad. Hospitals don't care if you're a tourist, they care if you can pay. Having this is it's non-negotiable really, so get medical coverage. Number 3, secure backups of your documents, passports, IDs, visas. If you lose them, you're not just stranded, you're vulnerable. Keep encrypted copies stored safely online, so even if your bag disappears, you still have access. We're seeing too many cases where travellers were stuck in foreign countries for weeks, just waiting on replacements. Number 4, tracking tech for your luggage. If it's delayed, lost, or even stolen, your luggage is at a record high right now. So basically meaning it's quite possible for you to lose your luggage, which is mad. The airlines won't always help you, so having your own smart tracker hidden inside your bag means you know exactly where your stuff is, even if the airline has no clue. Number 5, a reliable way to communicate during blackouts or emergencies. So sometimes the cell towers go down, sometimes the local networks get shut off. Having backup communication, whether that's an eSIM that works worldwide or even a small satellite communicator, can literally be the difference between being stranded and getting rescued. So a reliable way to communicate, I think it's a necessity as well. You know, I was involved in like a 7 something Richter scale earthquake in Thailand. Do you know what I mean? And thankfully nothing happened, but you know, I could have been stranded. I might need been rescued. Do you know what I mean? That does happen. So those are the 5 things that you need to travel safely and smartly in 2025. Forget packing an extra pair of shoes. This is literally what matters. And seriously, don't skip the VPN as well. The NordVPN is one of the most trusted VPN companies ever. The link is in the description. Protect yourself, protect your data, and, you know, travel without fear. The link's in the description, so still go check it out, and yeah, make sure you are subscribing for more tips and tricks while you go traveling.